Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create media company logo using play button custom shapes. Start with a triangle custom shape, add a thick circle around it and then merge the elements while keeping alignment centered. Now apply a fairy gradient for energy, then add a shadow for depth. Insert the brand name below and use bold, clean typography. Add a light streak effect for motions and create a dark mode version. Then test the logo small and large and also add a glowing border, group all layers and export in multiple resolutions. Save your final design in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.